Good morning and welcome to the Good Plates kitchen. We're making pizza flavored popcorn. Put oil in a pot on the stove and turn the heat on high. Add one kernel and wait for it to pop. Then you can add the rest of the popcorn. Now start shaking. Shake, 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 shake. 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 Now, one thing you want to remember is don't forget to melt the butter. You should check the butter to make sure that it's not burning, okay? Now go back and you can shake some more. And when it stops, there you go. Take the top off. Okay, now you're going to pour the butter over the popcorn. Ooh, nice melted butter. Oh, there's one that didn't melt all the way. Oh well, that's okay. It'll melt when it gets up in the popcorn. Okay, now you're going to add the tomato powder. That stuff is really amazingly good. And a little bit more for extra flavor. And now we're going to add some Tuscan Sunset. And that's really amazing tasting too. And here we go. Next is the cheese. No, salt. Put a little salt. Okay, here we go. Here's the cheese. Add as much cheese as you like. And then we're going to take a spoon and you can stir it up, or if you have a top, you can shake it to distribute everything evenly. And it's still nice and warm and toasty and wonderful. And you just love it. And you get a piece and put it in your mouth. And
Pizza.